All right, here we go.
Hello.
More constructions.
We're going to construct things, but not like Bob the Builder kind of constructing.
No Bob the Builder today, which is a shame.
It is.
But today we are constructing parallel and perpendicular lines.
Mm-hmm.
Parallel, what the heck is parallel again?
Parallel, that means two lines that never intersect.
Something like that, right?
Yeah, those look like parallel lines. Why do we
Because-
have to construct them?
Well, as we've seen in previous lessons, this whole unit is about parallel lines and transversals.
Yes,
So
it is.
being able to draw correct lines that
Yes.
are parallel is important.
Correct.
Parallel means equidistant all the way across, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perpendicular, what is that?
Perpendicular means there's two lines that meet at a right angle.
Yeah, they intersect, form a right
90
angle.
degrees, yes.
So there's your perpendicular, there's your parallel example. So hopefully after today we'll be able to construct a parallel and perpendicular line, given a line and a point, and we're going to use a compass and a ruler to do that.
Sure are.
All right. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is construct a parallel line. So
Okay.
we need a compass
Yes.
and we need a ruler.
That's all you need.
Sounds good. So first thing we're going to want to do is create a transversal.
Okay, so
So-
what that means, that's a line that goes through that line and then the point.
Right. So just going to draw a point on the line.
Okay?
Doesn't have to be a specific spot. Just don't put it right underneath. Put it to the side.
Yeah.
So then we're going to connect. We're going to draw that transversal.
All right, there it is.
All right, super. That was easy.
Mm-hmm.
Compass time. So now what you want to do is you want to put the sharp end on that point we just created.
Right?
And I'm going to kind of shorten it up here. Doesn't have to be too big. Okay, you can kind of see what I've got there.
Yep.
So I'm just going to make an arc that goes from the transversal all the way down to the line.
Yep.
Now here's the important part. Without changing this width here,
Yeah, don't change the width of your compass.
transfer it up to P,
Mm-hmm.
and then do the same thing.
Go through the transversal.
I'm
Make sure
gonna
your
make the same
transversal is
arc.
long enough to go through that arc.
Yes. Now notice the arc I made up here goes through the transversal and is kind of also going below kind of where that point is across.
Yeah, exactly.
That's important.
Using a compass is sometimes a little, I don't know, cumbersome. So it takes a little
A
practice.
cumbersome compass?
That's right.
That's crazy.
A cumbersome
Okay.
compass. So just be careful with your arcs.
Yeah, just make sure that width doesn't change.
Yeah.
All right, now last part here. You're going to take your compass, put it on that intersection of the arc and the transversal, and adjust the width. So
Yeah,
it's
that
basically
same
the
length.
width of that arc
Right.
from line to line.
Yep.
And then again, without moving that width, go up to that top intersection and then make another mark there.
Right. Don't go to P. I've seen people
Oh,
put
yeah,
their
you
compass
make this
there,
mark
and
here.
it's
Yeah,
not
no.
there. It's above.
So you're basically transferring this distance
Uh-huh.
up to here.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
almost done.
Because you're making congruent angles there.
That's right. So here we go. So where those two arcs intersect and point P, if we were to draw a line straight through them,
There we go.
my ruler lifted up there,
Oh,
but
way to go, Mr.
that's all
Klein.
right. But basically, right there, we've
Yep.
got parallel lines.
We sure do.
So
And
if
those
you
are
were-
congruent corresponding angles
That's right.
that we created. That's
This
why the
guy
lines
right
are
here,
parallel.
and
That's
this
how we
guy.
know that.
There
Yep.
we go.
Nice job.
All right,
What
one more.
about perpendicular lines? How do you do that?
Perpendicular lines. So the setup looks the same.
Yep. Oh,
Yeah.
That
You ever
was
want to
magical.
pull like the tablecloth off the
right.
table and the glasses
Exactly.
stay put?
Exactly. That
I'm
was
an-
almost exactly the same thing.
I am an expert at that.
Awesome.
All right, so
We'll
here
do
we
that
go.
one day.
That'll be a video.
Yep.
Anyway, so
You
for
don't need the ruler at
perpendicular,
first for this one.
no, we do not.
It's all compass.
So take your compass, sharp end on P again. Now, you're going to want to make two arcs. One on this side, again without changing the width, one on the other side. You want to make sure those two arcs are to the right and to the left of point P. So again, that was the same as that.
Yes.
Very simple.
Correct.
Okay? So the next thing we want to do, so I made the first arc with the sharp end on P and drew this arc. Now I'm going to flip that around. Sharp end goes here. And I'm going to kind of
You can close it up.
close it up a little bit. I'm going to make an arc right below P. So from the intersection of the arc and the line, drew another arc that's below P. And
Okay.
again, whatever this distance I have set, don't change it.
Yep.
Move it over to this intersection and do the same.
Yep. That's how
Okay.
you make congruent things with a compass. You just kind of don't change the width of the compass and it makes everything congruent.
Okay, so And that's basically all the work there is to do.
So now those.
I was a little off on my point there.
Yeah, I saw you. I was gonna pretend like I didn't notice.
That's okay. I'll kind of put it off center here. But basically, through that point and this point here, draw that line through the intersection, and you've got your perpendicular line.
Exactly.
And we'll make sure we put a little 90-degree symbol to show it is perpendicular.
Now, I wanna make a comment here, Mr. Crane.
Yes.
Sometimes kids think they can just eyeball it and
Yeah.
draw the parallel line or draw the perpendicular line, but we need to see those
Right.
marks that your compass made.
Can't just go, oh,
Yeah,
that,
I mean, you could probably
oh,
do-
that looks good.
You
Yeah.
could probably do a pretty good job, but
Yeah.
we need to see those compass,
Yes.
arcs, crossing, all that kind of stuff. If you just have a line with a box or two lines that look like they don't intersect, that's not really constructing anything. That's just kind of drawing.
Right. We've got to see the work.
Exactly.
We got to see the construction. So
Exactly.
on perpendicular lines, we got to see all these arc measures, and on parallel lines, we've got to see those arcs drawn.
Yep, and that
And
other
the transversal.
intersection.
That's
Exactly.
right. Okay, so
Right.
that's basically it.
Yep.
Hopefully now you can construct parallel and perpendicular lines.
You might have to watch this one a couple times.
That's right. All right.
Bye.